Have you ever wondered how to make that special woman miss you when you're not around? Whether you're in a budding romance or a long-term relationship, creating a sense of longing and desire can strengthen your bond and keep the spark alive. In today's video, we're diving deep into the psychology of attraction and uncovering 20 foolproof strategies to make any woman miss you. Stick around because these tips are bound to leave a lasting impression on her mind and heart. Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship, where we share tips and tricks to help you navigate the complex world of relationships. Today, we're focusing on a topic that many of us have pondered at some point: how to make any woman miss you. Whether you're physically apart for a short while or looking to reignite the passion in your relationship, these strategies are designed to leave a lasting impact. So, without further ado, let's jump into our list of 20 ways to make any woman miss you. Segment 1. Create unforgettable memories. First up, create unforgettable memories together. Whether it's a spontaneous road trip, a romantic dinner under the stars, or a cozy night in watching her favorite movie, shared experiences create a bond that's hard to forget. By creating lasting memories, you'll leave a lasting impression on her heart. Segment 2. Give her space. Next, give her space to miss you. While spending time together is important, it's equally essential to give her room to breathe and pursue her own interests. Absence truly can make the heart grow fonder, so don't be afraid to give her some alone time to reflect on your connection. Segment 3. Be present when you're together. When you are together, be fully present. Put away your phone, eliminate distractions, and focus all your attention on her. By being fully engaged in the moment, you'll create cherished memories that she'll long to relive when you're apart. Segment 4. Keep the mystery alive. Maintain an air of mystery. Don't reveal every detail about yourself all at once. Instead, keep her intrigued by gradually sharing new aspects of your life and personality. Mystery adds an element of excitement and anticipation to your relationship. Segment 5. Send thoughtful messages. Send her thoughtful messages when you're apart. Whether it's a sweet good morning text or a heartfelt message to let her know you're thinking of her, small gestures can go a long way in making her feel loved and missed. Segment 6. Plan surprise visits. Plan surprise visits to show her you care. There's nothing quite like the excitement of seeing someone unexpectedly. Surprise visits allow you to create special moments together and remind her of the depth of your connection. Segment 7. Leave her wanting more. Leave her wanting more. Whether it's ending a phone call on a high note or leaving a date at the peak of the evening, leaving her wanting more will keep her eagerly anticipating your next encounter. Segment 8. Be confident and independent. Maintain your confidence and independence. A man who is secure in himself and has his own interests and passions is undeniably attractive. By focusing on your own growth and fulfillment, you'll naturally draw her closer to you. Segment 9. Show genuine interest. Show genuine interest in her life. Ask about her day, listen attentively to her stories, and remember the little details she shares with you. By showing that you genuinely care about her well-being and happiness, you'll make a lasting impression. Segment 10. Be supportive and encouraging. Offer support and encouragement during challenging times. Be her rock when she needs someone to lean on, and celebrate her victories with genuine enthusiasm. Knowing that you're there for her, through thick and thin, will make her miss you even more. Segment 11. Surprise her with gifts. Surprise her with thoughtful gifts that show you've been paying attention. Whether it's her favorite book, a bouquet of flowers, or a homemade meal, thoughtful gestures will make her feel cherished and appreciated. Segment 12. Be unpredictable. Keep her on her toes by being unpredictable. Surprise her with spontaneous adventures, try new things together, and keep the romance alive by embracing spontaneity. Unpredictability adds an element of excitement and intrigue to your relationship. Segment 13. Show vulnerability. Don't be afraid to show vulnerability. Opening up and sharing your fears, hopes, and dreams with her will deepen your connection and make her feel closer to you emotionally. Vulnerability fosters intimacy and strengthens the bond between you. Segment 14. Be playful and flirtatious. Maintain a playful and flirtatious demeanor. Tease her affectionately, engage in playful banter, and don't be afraid to let your playful side shine. Flirting keeps the spark alive and ensures that she's always thinking of you. Segment 15. Maintain a positive outlook, stay positive and optimistic, even during challenging times. A positive attitude is contagious and will uplift her spirits when she's feeling down. By radiating positivity, you'll leave a lasting impression and make her miss your uplifting presence. Segment 16. Be patient and understanding. Practice patience and understanding in your interactions with her. Respect her boundaries, communicate openly, and give her the time and space she needs to process her thoughts and feelings. Patience demonstrates your commitment to her well-being and strengthens the foundation of your relationship. Segment 17. Share inside jokes and memories. Create inside jokes and share special memories together. These shared moments create a unique bond between you and serve as a reminder of the special connection you share. Sharing inside jokes and memories will make her smile and long for more moments with you. Segment 18. Be reliable and dependable. Be reliable and dependable in your actions. Follow through on your promises, be there for her when she needs you, and show her that she can count on you no matter what. Reliability builds trust and deepens the emotional connection between you. Segment 19. Express your appreciation. Express your appreciation for her presence in your life. Let her know how much she means to you, and express gratitude for the positive impact she has on your life. Feeling appreciated will make her feel valued and cherished. Segment 20. Be yourself. Above all, be yourself. Authenticity is key to building a genuine connection with her. Embrace your quirks, flaws, and imperfections, and let your true self shine through. Being authentic will make her feel seen, heard, and understood, and she'll miss the real you when you're not around. And there you have it, 20 foolproof strategies to make any woman miss you. By incorporating these tips into your interactions with her, you'll leave a lasting impression and create a deep sense of longing and desire. Remember, the key is to be genuine, thoughtful, and attentive to her needs and desires. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and happy attracting. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more relationship tips and advice. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you may have. Until next time, keep making those women miss you. See you in the next video.